I'm Dr. Jagadish Prasad. I'm an interventional neuroradiologist by education, and I'm the director of Femiint Health. Femiint Health is a physician-led organization. I myself, I'm a doctor and an interventional neuroradiologist. Dr. Anita is very important part of being a founding member of Femiint Health. She's our scientific director and chief obstetrician and gynecologist. Under her tutelage, our fertility program has achieved significant successes. Our success rates can be compared to the best in the world, and we're ranked among one of the best infertility centers in Bangalore. Coming to physicians, we're also very lucky to have a very accomplished set of pediatricians and neonatologists. We run a level 3 NICU, a lot of because we're a referral center, and we deal with a lot of high-risk pregnancies and infertility-related pregnancies. We've been very successful. Our outcomes from NICU have been very successful. We've dealt with very premature babies of starting from 800 grams. In addition to both our obstetrics and pediatric department, we run a very accomplished cosmetology department, and like I said, we do from the most simplest to the most complex cosmetic procedures, including cosmetic surgeries. So I'd like to give you a brief on what inspires us and what's inspired me to be doing something in women's healthcare while I'm actually an interventional neuroradiologist. We set out planning for a large format hospital initially, and a typical multi-speciality hospital. And in the evolution of planning a large format hospital, we realized that that women's healthcare needs a very different approach, both from physical infrastructure as well as from our whole scientific approach to women's healthcare. A woman is not just another adult. She needs specific care. She needs to be treated differently. Her diseases, her whole illness and wellness needs to be understood, responded, diagnosed and treated very differently. That's the base of the inspiration. That's what Femiint Health stands apart from any other healthcare organization. Femiint Health was set up in 2014. We started our operations in 2014. We'd spent almost 2 years of planning the whole facility and how we want to approach women's healthcare. We do all the routine things. We have a very specialized unit for maternity, for birthing. We do short stay surgeries. We have a very high-end laparoscopic instruments and specialists who perform very high-end laparoscopic surgeries. In addition, we have a very specialized and focused unit on IVF. In fact, that's one of our core focus areas and future expansion plans as well. In addition, I think coming from the understanding that we also need to provide enough wellness facilities for women, we run a very comprehensive dermatology and cosmetology section, which is an end-to-end service. We do everything from simple dermatological consultations to extensive cosmetic surgeries. And our cosmetology unit goes by the belief that confidence is beautiful. In addition to all of these things, given our holistic thoughts on how we want to deliver healthcare to women, we run very specialized clinics like menopause clinics, osteoporosis clinic. We have a specialized equipment called bone densitometry. We have high-end diagnostics. Our lab is completely equipped to do all kinds of complex lab tests that are required for women's health. We run even more specialized clinics like pain clinics, which are very focused on women's health. For example, pelvic pain is a very unique entity that's women related, and we have specialists with a very deep understanding of how they would look at specific disease processes like these. In the last 4 years, we've made significant strides. As a startup healthcare organization. It's not always easy, but we've been very, very focused on quality right from day one. In fact, we very ambitiously, for a startup hospital, we went into accreditation process right in the second year and successfully obtained pre-accreditation from NABH, which is the highest level of accreditation that an Indian hospital can achieve. We are very happy to be featured in the prestigious coffee table book of Times of India, and we are even gladder and proud to be entitled as Times Interact Emerging Icon.